Hey, I'm Daniel Underwood. I've been a patient for Dr. Odatro for about 4 years, and before him, I had some birth defect or had weird teeth that I was missing. About 14 to 15 teeth I was missing, and it was not a pretty smile. I can guarantee that. We've tried multiple things: braces, teeth aligners. We've tried anything, and then we met a doctor about 4 years ago, and he gave us like a full-on plan of what we were going to do. And he said it was going to be long, but as long as we were patient, it was going to work out in the end. And in the end, it really worked out well. As you can see, some beautiful teeth I got. I'm really grateful for that, and my parents and grandparents have been all supportive, as well as Dr. and the staff here have been super supportive, and I want to thank them for all they did for me, and I'm really glad I can smile proudly with what I got, and so thanks to you guys. Thank you.